Hi Cindy, how are you doing today?
Great, thanks. How are you?
Doing good. So tell me, how was the design consultant that came out to your home?
She was wonderful. Yeah, she was really good. She spent a lot of time going over a lot of different products with us and, you know, just put in her input, which was really nice, and things that she had done before. So yeah, she was super.
Oh, good. And I see your floors turned out really, really nice.
They turned out amazing.
Beautiful. Really, really nice. And then how are the installers that came in?
The installers were great.
Yeah? Oh, good.
Yeah, in fact, we went away on vacation. We felt so comfortable with them, and they finished up the job when we were out of town. That's how great they did.
Yay! That's super great. And then basically your overall experience, was it a simple process for you?
Yeah, very simple. She came out here, did all the measurements, gave us the price, and the installers came out. You know, once we decided on it, they came out right away, and the whole thing was done, I want to say, in maybe 6 days.
Cool.
So,
wow.
Yeah,
that's really neat.
It's fantastic, yeah.
Well, thank you, Cindy, so much for having me today. You enjoy your week and your beautiful floors.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.